guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is a Gryffindor inspired look. I started reading Harry Potter for the first time a couple months ago, and I have absolutely been loving it. I tried to read it when I was younger, and I just didn't like it when I was younger, but now I really like it, and I've been watching the movies after I read the books. So I got really inspired one day to do makeup looks for every book. I don't know what inspired me to do that, but I just got really inspired to do that. So this is the first look I'm doing for the Sorcerer's Stone, which is the first book in the series, if you guys didn't know. So I thought I would do something Gryffindor inspired, just because the first book is when he first goes to Hogwarts and finds his house and kind of is finding his place there and all that stuff, and getting into all the trouble that he gets into. So if you guys want to see how I got this Gryffindor inspired look, then keep watching. Alright, so for this look I'm using the Aphrodite palette, and I'm going in with blushing first, and I'm popping that in the crease with the Morphe M441. Next I'm going to take blushing and Lust on the same brush and just popping that in the crease. Lust is that perfect color for Gryffindor. It's that perfect red, I think, and I just love how this look came out. So next I'm going in with Lust and this Ulta Dome brush. It's a really dense brush, really good for packing on the shadow. So I'm packing the shadow on my inner and outer corner because I'm going to be doing a halo eye. So I'm just placing it where I want the halo eye to be. And then in a little bit, I'm going to go in with concealer to carve out the halo, if that makes sense. So now I'm just blending out the crease because I did get a little messy with the dome brush, but that was okay because I'm blending it out with my M441 with nothing on it. And then I'm going in with my M330 just to blend out some more. This is my Holy Grail blending brush. Next I'm going in with my NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm just carving out my halo eye, I guess. This is what you would call it. And I'm just starting at the bottom to get the shape, and then towards the top I'm kind of fanning it out, as you'll see in a second. I never do this with my halo eyes. Normally I keep them a little lower just because I do have hooded eyelids, but I really like how this came out. It's probably one of my favorite looks I've done in a while since my Grinch tutorial, to be honest. Next I'm going back in with Lust, and I'm just using my finger just to kind of blend the concealer and Lust together so it doesn't look too harsh. I just want to mesh nicely. Now I'm going in with Sparks and a lip brush from Bjoy. I did wet this off camera, and I'm just putting this where the concealer is, and I love it. It is so pretty. It is the perfect, these colors are perfect together. Absolutely perfect. So I'm just getting this to how I want it. And again, using my finger to kind of just blend everything together to make sure it's all good, and just blending it out one more time. Next I'm going in with this Maybelline eyeliner. I think it's Stay All Day or something. I don't remember, but it will be linked down below. And I'm just making a small wing for when I apply falsies in a minute. So next I'm going back in with Lust, and I'm just running this along the lower lash line. Just to, make everything connect and mesh together. And I didn't really smoke it out, I kind of just left it as is. And then I'm going in with this L'Oreal Infallible black eyeliner just to tightline, again, just for the purpose of mascara and falsies, just to really tie everything together. Next I'm going in with my Buxom Lash Mascara, and I'm popping this on my upper and lower lashes. I did curl them, but I didn't show that on camera, just because you guys know what curling eyelashes looks like, I'm assuming. And then for lashes, I'm using these Kiss Look So Natural lashes in the style Shy. I love these, they're so natural looking. They were being a pain in the butt though this day. As I was filming, they just progressively got worse. So I'm putting on some mascara just to blend everything together, doing the rest of my face off camera, and I'm back. And for lips, I'm using the Curvy Lip Gloss from ColourPop, the I Love Sarah He collection. I showed this in my ColourPop haul that I uploaded on Wednesday, so if you guys want to check that out, if you haven't already, that'll be linked down below. And then that's pretty much it for this look.
And that is it for this Gryffindor inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to do one, like I said, for every single book, probably like once a month, so there's not like Harry Potter overload for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Harry Potter inspired looks. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. I want to try to upload more. That's like a goal for myself for 2019. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!